Your home just got a brain. The smart tech upgrade changes everything. For decades, our homes have been passive spaces. For walls, a roof, and a collection of appliances that functioned independently, waiting for our explicit command. We adjusted the thermostat, flipped light switches, locked doors, and manually managed everything from our entertainment to our security. It was functional, but hardly intelligent. But what if your home could be more? What if it could anticipate your needs, adapt to your routine, and actively work to make your life smoother, safer, and more efficient, all without you lifting a finger? Today, we're diving deep into the revolutionary transformation of our living spaces. We'll explore how cutting-edge smart home technology is moving beyond simple gadgets to create truly intelligent, responsive environments, fundamentally changing how we live. Get ready to discover how your home is getting a brain and why this upgrade changes everything. The foundation of this intelligent home revolution lies in seamless connectivity and integrated systems. It's no longer about a single smart speaker or a smart light bulb. We're talking about an entire ecosystem where every device, from your thermostat to your washing machine, communicates with each other and with a central hub. This interconnectedness allows for complex automations and personalized experiences. Imagine waking up to blinds slowly opening, lights gradually brightening, and your coffee machine starting, all triggered by your alarm clock or the gentle shift of natural light. This isn't just convenience. It's about optimizing your daily rhythms and reducing mental load. Standards like Matter emerging, the long-standing problem of device incompatibility is finally being solved. Meaning your gadgets from different brands can now truly talk to each other, creating a cohesive, responsive living space. Beyond basic convenience, smart home tech is making significant strides in energy management and sustainability. Our homes are major energy consumers, but intelligent systems are changing that. AI-powered thermostats don't just react to temperature. They learn your preferences, analyze local weather patterns, and even integrate with your utility provider to optimize heating and cooling for both comfort and cost savings. Imagine your HVAC system pre-cooling your home during off-peak energy hours, or intelligently adjusting based on whether you're home or away. Detected by motion sensors, smart lighting systems can adjust brightness based on natural light levels, dimming automatically to conserve energy. Smart plugs monitor the energy consumption of individual appliances, helping you identify and eliminate vampire drain. This level of granular control and automation isn't just eco-friendly. It translates into tangible savings on your utility bills, making smart homes a smart financial investment. Advanced security and safety are perhaps the most compelling reasons to embrace a truly intelligent home. Traditional security systems were often reactive. An alarm goes off after a break-in. Modern smart security is proactive and preventative. Think AI-powered cameras that can differentiate between a family member, delivery person, a pet, and a potential intruder, minimizing false alarms. Doorbell cameras with facial recognition can alert you only to unfamiliar faces. Beyond basic sensors, some systems are integrating drone technology for perimeter surveillance, giving you a comprehensive view of your property even when you're away. Indoor sensors can detect not just motion, but also unusual sounds like glass breaking or smoke alarms, immediately alerting you and emergency services. This interconnected web of security provides unprecedented peace of mind, allowing you to monitor and protect your home remotely from anywhere in the world. The kitchen, often the heart of the home, is becoming increasingly intelligent. Smart appliances are evolving beyond simple Wi-Fi connectivity. Refrigerators can now track inventory, suggest recipes based on available ingredients, and even alert you when items are nearing their expiration date. Ovens can preheat themselves based on your commute time, or cook dishes perfectly based on an integrated camera monitoring doneness. Smart dishwashers can optimize water usage based on load size and soil level. This level of automation and assistance not only saves time, but also reduces food waste and makes meal preparation more efficient and enjoyable. Imagine your kitchen assistant managing your grocery list, helping you plan meals, and ensuring your ingredients are always fresh. Beyond the tangible, the intelligent home is deeply impacting our convenience and lifestyle. Voice assistants are becoming more sophisticated, understanding nuanced commands and acting as central control hubs for your entire home. Imagine a single voice command dimming the lights, locking the doors, setting the alarm, and playing soothing music for bedtime. Automated routines simplify complex tasks. Your morning routine can be triggered by your alarm, slowly bringing your home to life. Your evening routine can prepare your home for sleep with a single touch or voice command. This seamless automation frees up mental bandwidth and reduces daily friction, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. It's about creating an environment that adapts to you rather than the other way around. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and the intelligent home is no exception. Privacy and data security are paramount concerns. As your home collects more data about your habits, preferences, and even health, understanding how that data is stored, used, and protected becomes critical. It's essential to choose reputable brands with strong security protocols and to be mindful of what permissions you grant to smart devices. User control over data, clear privacy policies, and robust encryption are non-negotiable. Furthermore, ensure you have strong cybersecurity practices for your home network to prevent unauthorized access. The goal is convenience and intelligence, not vulnerability. The future of living spaces is no longer a distant concept. It's being built brick by smart brick right now. Responsive entity that learns, adapts, and works tirelessly to enhance your life. It's an investment in efficiency, security, comfort, and ultimately, a more streamlined and intelligent way of living. So are you ready to unlock the full potential of your living space? Are you prepared for your home to truly get a brain, changing everything you thought you knew about daily life?